Yildiz Grodowski. I'm an abstract painter. I use mostly acrylic, mixed media and collage, and sometimes watercolor. I'm originally from Istanbul, Turkey, but most of my life I spent around Boston area, and now I live in Somerville. And this is my studio at 6 Vernon Street. Studios number is 12, studio number 12. I also have a second one at home. I would like to try to show you some of my artwork, and I hope you're gonna enjoy. How about we start with this one? It's called Reconciliation. And I'm very proud of this piece because it won an award, international competition, where almost 1,000 pieces were entered. We didn't come first, but it was number 4, so it's my pride. With my paintings, I like to take the viewer, you, to a place in your life, a moment or a person in your life. That's what I'm trying to achieve, but it's art and it's open to interpretation. Maybe you'll see a different story than mine, and that's perfectly all right. Some of the paintings are certain parts in my life, from childhood to my later years. Some of them, certain places, they were important to me. I'm trying to connect you with my art, and I hope I can accomplish that. This piece and these two are a work in progress. This is a little further than this one, and I'm going to work probably side by side. I try to work on more than one piece at a time, and sometimes it doesn't work out. This is the most recent piece, actually. I just posted on Instagram. It's called Peace, Not War, to take you probably from my doubt flowers to the 60s, hopefully. This is another piece I really enjoy working. It's connecting this life with the other later life, and they are connecting, they are trying to reunite. Hopefully she doesn't want to reunite, but the ones on the bottom on this life reunite with the one who left them behind. And this is my very messy table. Doesn't matter how much I clean up, next moment, not even next day, it's gonna always turn out to be a mess, so sometimes I give up.